my channel. So today's video is in partnership with Nadula Hair. So they sent me this really gorgeous red wig. So the details for this wig are, this is their red brown auburn body wave human hair wig, and so it's a pre-colored wig. It's 13x4, and I believe I got this in 24 inches. All the details on this wig will be linked down below. This, honestly, this video is all over the place. I actually installed this wig yesterday and it's still doing, it's just giving. There's no baby hairs, nothing. Emma, tell them.
It looks sick.
It looks sick. Like, I never thought I'd be a red hair girl, but I'm telling you, I thought a leap. And especially with this look, it's giving. So I did a get ready with me. My makeup is, you know what I usually do, but I thought I'd record it anyway because it's looking quite cute. I did go for dinner, so my lips have gone already, so I need to touch up that a bit again. So it's not as fresh as when you guys saw it in the video. But for my outfit, it's all Zara. I'm actually wearing this corset from Zara, this choker that I got whilst I was here in Mallorca. Is it Mallorca or Mallorca? Mallorca, sorry, I keep getting confused. Bought this in Mallorca. I also bought this in Zara as well from Mallorca today. It was 20 euros. Like, I'm sorry, this is so cute and it goes in my fit. I've also got on some black leggings, and that's from Zara, so my whole fit is from Zara. And then I'm just going to pair it with these cute black heels from Ego. These were on sale. My sister bought these for me actually a few months ago, and it was like £7. So yeah, that's the look. So if you want to see how I did my makeup, installed this wig, please stay tuned. Okay. So obviously you get the wig when you order it, but it also comes with some goodies. I was so shocked because they gave me this satin robe, and it's so cute because I actually threw away the robe I had before and I needed a new one. So they kind of knew that I needed one. So it's a nice satin robe called with Nadula on it, so I can't speak. And I wore that in the video when I was installing the wig, so you will see it on. And then it also came with a little goodie bag. It came with a stocking cap, which I used in the video as well. What I like about this one, I actually ripped the second one, oops, but it's really lightweight, so it's really good for doing like the bold cap method. So I don't know why I'm so close to the camera. But yeah, it's really good for bold cap method. It's so clear. So I like that. You also get an elastic band. I don't know where I put the other one. One sec, guys. I'm sorry, I'm back. Can you record, please? Yeah, so it came with 2 elastic bands. This is the one I wore in the video. This has a Nadula on it, and it also gave me another one in a cheetah print pattern. So thank you so much. And then you get a pair of nice voluminous lashes. And then also in the goodie bag is this compact powder brush, which I really like. I'm going to use this quite often because it's compact, so I can put this in my bag to do all like my touching up. If I show you guys, look, it's a little brush in there. I think that's quite cute. So yeah, like I said to you before, thank you so much, Nadula, for sending me this wig and partnering up with me. I really appreciate it. Please send me more because this wig is stunning. Guys, this hair is so thick, I can't even explain to you. I was struggling to straighten it. So yesterday I wanted to straighten this hair. Emma, tell them how thick this hair was yesterday. So it was so thick to the point where I was like, exactly. I was like, we were like, Amy, curl it, because it was so thick. So if you want something that's nice and full, this is the wig for you. As I said to you before, sorry, the links are down below, and we're gonna get into the install, babies.
Whip, body, crib, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my, so won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
you all day, working up the nerve. I think you deserve a night if you're feeling thirsty. Let roll all this dream that got you on the last rail. Just hurry up and get nobody. Stop the party, stop the falling in love. It's in the air, don't fight it. I know you need somebody. I've been thinking about it. Somebody, somebody, somebody. I know you need somebody, somebody, somebody. I've been thinking about it. Somebody, 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 somebody. I've been thinking about you all day, working up the nerve. I think you deserve a night if you're feeling thirsty. A night if you're all this dream that got you on the last rail. Just hurry up.